Welcome back to Frontline Eurosports Online. Your host Nate Jennings has a 2019 Triumph Street Twin Korosi Red coming out of the crate with 10 more horsepower for 2019, 500 RPM higher revving capability for 2019. We're going to go ahead and bust this beautiful Korosi Red out and show you what we got here at Frontline Eurosports from Triumph Motorcycles. Thanks for watching. Let's get some action. So here we go with the fun part. We're going to cut open the package of the Korosi Red Street Twin 2019 with that extra horsepower, the extra rev capability. Let's do it. Yeah. All right, I didn't bring my blade today. I need yours. Again, our care package from Triumph, which is going to include beautiful Triumph backpack, your canvas bag in there to keep all your service records and owner's manuals, key fob, and a big, black, beautiful key fob it is. And then our Korosi Red Street Twin, the new graphics for this year, and you're going to see a lot of the same instrumentation and controls, but we got good stuff going on inside that power plant. So let's take a little closer look at some of these beautiful components on the Street Twin. All right, now that we've got a nice little walk around of this machine, thanks for watching us here at Frontline Eurosports as we uncrated the first 2019 Triumph Street Twin from Triumph Motorcycles at Frontline Eurosports. Thanks, Josh, and thank you for watching us on YouTube. Good job.